Alam niyo, bagay kayo.
Bagay maging mag-best friend.
Mag-duo talaga. Okay. Before we get to your question, gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo kanina. Yan ang duo ko for life.
Duo for life. Best friends for life. Pero,
Best friend for life.
Ito ba yan? Totoong best friend. Saan naman nagsisimula talaga yan? Okay, kaya naman simulan na natin ang katanungan ngayon, Bereka. As you know, two people known for your calm, powerful presence, how do you guys push yourself to go beyond what people expect from you or of you?
for me, it's always about taking that first step. Once you make that first step, it's boundless you're limitless. Parang, as long as you keep on improving yourself and yung outside noise lang for me kasi yung expectations sa mga tao. So, as long as you go beyond that, it's the first step talaga all the time.
Galing-galing talaga nakasagot mo ba?
Di ba?
Yes. How about you, Mika?
Ako, kuya, syempre, ako nag-focus sa expectation ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, ako, importante sa akin kung ano yung sinasabi ng tao sa salamin pag bago ka matulog Kung ano yung na-expect nila sa'yo.
And then you transcend from that.
Yes.
Oh, it's not about what people think.
Yes.
It's about what you can do for yourself. I love that answer. And that is why you guys are big winners of this edition. Again, palapakan po natin, Bereka, right here on Acer Day 2025. Maraming salamat for answering all of these questions, no? Maybe one last question to wrap this thing up. Ano, kapag magkasama kasi ang pamilya de Guzman, lahat kami natutuwa talaga. But what's one thing that you could say na, uy, we really broke that limit right there? Anyone could answer.
I feel like the network war. I'm strong enough to say we broke that kasi as collaboration of both GMA and ABS, we did a family because of TVB. So feel ko yun po talaga yung breakdown.
That is so true. It's near. You would love to answer.
Siyempre, yung makapag-perform kami dito, ay sila lang pala. Pero yung makapagpleto kami dito, as a family, sa Mall of Asia Arena!
Sobrang supportive naman.
Umiyaw na